Samsung Galaxy Ace takes mobile sophistication beyond, which is compact, thin, and rounded edge. The elegant moves of the technology. Access to countless applications from Android market. This smartphone will provide endless possibilities, from all the games to download applications. Stay in touch with your circle of friends through social networks, for example, Facebook or Twitter. In addition, the powerful hardware Galaxy Ace will let you browse internet smoothly. The Samsung Galaxy Ace is a mid-range mobile market more interesting. He has installed Google icons. It has a multi-touch screen that recognizes natural gestures. The design is very attractive. A mobile focused to people that want to connect to the internet from a mobile phone all the day, and they want to enter the world of advanced mobile or smartphones. In addition, have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and 3G. You can use the last technology in the world. Also has a camera here, which makes a very good pictures. Now I will show you some pictures of this perfect phone for only the price of €500.